You asked, how to divide 9482 by 6 using the long division method. 9 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Bring down 4, making 34. 34 divided by 6 equals 5. 5 times 6 equals 30. 34 minus 30 equals 4. Bring down 8, making 48. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. 8 times 6 equals 48. 48 minus 48 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 6 equals 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 1580 remainder 2.